Welcome to another IT tech support video sponsored by hostandnerd.com. Today we're going to show you how to go ahead and add a coupon inside Woocommerce. So first step is logging onto the dashboard on the back end. Once you're inside the dashboard, you're going to hover your mouse over Woocommerce. You're going to go to the left, scroll down to where it says coupons. Once you're inside the coupons option, you're going to go ahead and click add coupon. Once you're on this page, you're going to put the actual coupon code. So if you put 25 and then you do off, so that's what they would have to type. If they do 25 space off, they would have to insert it 25 off. So something I do like to do myself is create multiple ways that the person might put the coupon. So what I would do is I will go ahead and do this, and then I would duplicate the coupon again and then make it with the space. You never know what the customer might be doing, and it's better to make sure you don't lose a customer or a client by just having some kind of issue with the coupon. So right here we're putting 25 off, and then we're going to put this coupon code is for 25, oops, misspelled that. Right. Once you go ahead and add that, store-wide is one word. So we're going to go ahead and add general. So inside general, you'll have discount type, fixed card discount. If you want to do percentage discount, fixed product discount, or fixed card discount. So right here, we're doing 25% off store-wide. So we're going to go ahead and do percent discount, coupon amounts. So this is going to be in percentages. So we did 25%. If you're charging for shipping and you don't want that to be discounted off at the end on the cart, you're going to go ahead and click here. As well on the bottom, if this coupon expires, you would definitely want to put an expiration date, because once you start having a couple of dozens of coupons, you would definitely forget. And you don't want somebody to just come back and start using coupons over and over and over. So you want to start creating a expiration date. On the bottom, it'll say usage restrictions. So are you doing a minimum spend? If they need to spend $100 in order to get to $25 off, that's where pretty much you'll go ahead and insert that. Maximum spent. Let's say you don't want this person to spend to get 25% off on a $5,000 order, so you'll do that. And individual use only. Check this box if the coupon cannot be used in conjunction with other coupons. Of course, we don't want them to add multiple coupons and get the item for free. That's definitely something I would always check. Exclude sale items. Let's say your item is already in clearance and you're barely making any profit, and you don't want that item to get an additional 25% and make you lose money, so you would check that. If you want to do any specific products or exclude products, you can do that here. Or if there's a customer or a specific customer that you want only to have a special coupon code, you would add them here. And then you're going to have the usage limits. Is there a limit per coupon? So let's say your customer Bob wants to use this coupon 5 times, but you only want them to use it twice. You would put 2 there. Limit usage to items, you can leave that empty. Usage limit per user, so Bob could only use this twice. Sorry, so usage limit per coupon. So this is going to be how many times this coupon can be used overall on the website. So if you shoot out an email or a text saying the first 100 people will get 25% off if you shop at our store, you'll go ahead and put that here, 100. And then down here is if Bob wants to use the coupon more than once, is he allowed to? If you don't really care how many times they use the coupon until the expiration date, just go ahead and leave that empty for unlimited usage. So hopefully this was helpful, guys. If it is, please give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel as we'll be uploading more tutorials. And don't forget to check out our sponsors, Host and Nerd, on the video at the end. Thank you again for watching. See you next time.
Do you need hosting for your new business website? Host the Nerd is the best website hosting service. Host the Nerd allows unlimited storage for your website, unlimited visits per month, and an SSL certificate automatically installed. This will also include website backup protection and an automatic daily malware scan. This premium hosting is only $28.89 a month from your favorite hosting service. Host the Nerd.